Without you, we would not have made it this far. I would also like to express my heartfelt gratitude to my CCTI family for your dedication and guidance throughout the years. Thank you for believing and investing your time and hard work in us. My fellow graduates, you are a remarkable community of inspiring leaders. I could not have asked for a better group of classmates to graduate with. It is so thankful for the laughter, the tears, and the inspiration. I will never forget you. Please remember that along with you. It is indeed my great honor and privilege to be your class speaker for the Bachelor of Arts degree program here at CCTI. This tremendous honor does not come around very often. In fact, it is quite rare for a young man from Taichung. Like myself, to even graduate from high school, let alone get a college degree, and be afforded the privilege to address attend esteemed crowd at a college commencement exercise. I never thought in my wildest dreams that I could ever earn this honor. According to statistics collected in our region, over 40% or close to half of all persons aged 15 to 24 in the FHM are not in school or any kind of training program. The numbers are even worse in our region. So statistically, it is nearly impossible for me to graduate and your degree program speaker today. And yet, here I am, a kid from Taichung, standing before you as a living testimony to God's grace and the sure fruit of long hours of perseverance, determination, and hard work. But I cannot claim this award for myself. Indeed, it is the fruit of the labor of my people who are collectively helped me up when I was down and boosted me to not settle for the shallow waters but to launch into the deep. I am reminded of that story from our Holy Scriptures. When after a long night of toiling on the water to catch fish, the Lord's disciples reached the point of despair, only to be commanded by our Lord, go into the deep and cast your net into this. After taking that leap of faith, their legs could not hold the bundle of fish deep up. Ladies and gentlemen, our theme today is not merely a declaration but an imperative. It is a call to have faith. Launching into the deep requires faith and confidence in the cultural wisdom of those who came before us. It is also a call to have faith in the tried and true principle that whatever you sow in life, you will reap. So I urge you, my fellow graduates, be patient and have faith. Today is not the end, but only the beginning of a journey of faith and perseverance. We have achieved a magnificent milestone, but let us stand on that stone and look ahead into the deep with faith. The challenges of our state and of our nation abound. We cannot take for granted the challenges in our climate and the threats to our health, our security, and our fair existence. But do not lose faith, for we can make a difference. In this world of instant gratification, Instagram, and instant coffee, we often miss out on the precious moments of the deep because we have learned to to be satisfied with the little leftovers of the shallow waters. I beseech you, my brothers and sisters, to keep your focus on the deep and do not be discouraged by the limitations of today. Do not be afraid of the deep, for that is where you will find success that will last you a lifetime. Enter that degree program, aim for that graduate degree, or aspire to technical and trade programs. Take on that challenging job, run for political office, start a company. Whatever it is you aspire to do, plunge into it with faith. Cast your net with confidence, and may our generation be the change we want to see in our island, our region, our world. Isok, Jabor. That's the end.